Well, I'm trying to clean up some space in the garage. I'm running out of real estate on the ground. So today's task is to see about removing these tires. Planning to stick it up here. I've got it level, and then it turns out even the way it's set up, so it's 32 inches on the studs. I can also go 48, but I didn't want to have to move all of this yet. Anyway, it turns out the bar, which has fallen, is actually wider than the space in between here right now. So I think what we're going to do, instead of sending it back, is go ahead and remount things. You're going to see about leaving the support bar there, but I'm going to go ahead and swap this around. So I'm going to move the bar and the bushing here onto the other side. I'm going to create a few 3 extra inches there, and it should work. Well, so here's the spacer. We're going to take up the gap. I found some washers that I thought I would never get around to using. Here's the final product. It looks fine. Now let's get the wheels up and out of the way. Well, that was a fair amount of work. My goodness. It's done, and they fit, so that's wonderful. Basically, I ended up using a variety of different spacers to kind of push out the edges a little bit. Not quite, true to size or as advertised exactly, but we're going to make it work instead of sending it back and waiting to clean up the floor space. So, at least for now, calling this a success.